Hatch Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Hatch are in the description for more details. Hatch is a robo-advisor designed for investors in New Zealand who want a straightforward, low-cost way to invest in global markets. The platform allows users to start investing with as little as $100, making it accessible for beginners or those with limited capital. Hatch offers globally diversified portfolios built from exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which provides exposure to various asset classes including stocks, bonds, and real estate. The main appeal of Hatch is its simplicity and transparency. It offers 3 core portfolio options: conservative, balanced, and growth, allowing investors to choose a portfolio that aligns with their risk tolerance and financial goals. Portfolios are managed automatically, so there's no need to pick individual stocks or bonds. This is ideal for investors who prefer a hands-off approach but still want global diversification. Hatch charges a competitive fee, starting at 0.50% annually for balances under $50,000, which is reasonable in comparison to traditional investment methods. Another great feature of Hatch is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for investors to track their investments and performance over time. Additionally, Hatch offers fractional investing, meaning you can invest in high-value stocks or ETFs for a fraction of the price, enabling even smaller investors to access global markets. However, there are a few downsides. First, while Hatch provides global exposure, it doesn't offer as many customization options as other robo-advisors, such as the ability to adjust the asset allocation. It also lacks tax optimization features like tax loss harvesting, which can be a limitation for more experienced investors looking to maximize their returns. Hatch is also limited to New Zealand investors, so it's not an option for those outside of the country. Overall, Hatch is an excellent option for beginners or those looking for a simple global investment strategy with low fees. It's a solid choice for New Zealand investors seeking easy, passive investing in diversified portfolios. If you're looking for a robo-advisor to get started with, Hatch could be a great fit. Check out the links in the description for more details.